Guys, we received this Clarifion air ionizer. So to test and try, so let's open and see how this works. So this is based on our negative ion filtration system, means there no filtration filters or anything is required. This comes in a 3 pack as you see here, and they are just plug and play units. So there is no maintenance, no heavy installation or nothing. They are like the small factor and you can just plug and play. So this is a portable air filter with the odor, smoke, dust or anything as eliminator. And then it's a very quiet operation, so we can just try that. um, let's see. So I just plug and it start working. You can see the light, and this also have this small LED light that can be used as a night lamp. So this is a very quiet operation. I don't listen anything, and it's just plug and use, which of course is no complicated installation. And you can see all the energy ratings here. So it's energy efficient, and you can just use it directly. So looks fine in the corner for the eliminator, and a nice product.